This is a POC about AI test evidence reviewer. I have created a dummy test evidence in Excel, which is having couple of screenshot. This is a dummy application, and it gives the look and feel like a transaction is going on. This is the policy number, client code, status, and some switch from and switch to section is there. These are all dummy data. And once all the funds are selected, it shows which funds are selected, its description and risk profile, percentage, and if transaction successful or not. So those are the things that we need to review under a test evidence document. Currently the process is manual. I'm going to do the same using AI. For this I'm using computer vision of Azure OpenAI portal. Under Azure OpenAI portal I had created a resource, and under this resource in OpenAI Azure portal I have created this GPT4o deployment. I had given the name GPT4 vision, and from in the chat I didn't use any prompt, just the plain deployment of that same model. Prompt I'm going to pass through Python program, and in the Python program I'm going to use this key 1 and this endpoint of that model, and this is in HTTPS section. These are the details I'm going to pass under a separate file in my Python program, and here I am calling the endpoint API key, and I have some function that extracted each images from that Excel. The Excel path I will be providing when I'm going to run in the bottom. This is an analyzer function. It uses a prompt like act as ITQ manual tester and review the test execution document from the screenshot of the transaction name, analysis all the images, identify and extract this information. The images are in sequential screen navigation screenshot of the transaction. I need the plan code from the image, ignore switch from section in all images irrespective of its present or not. I do not need any data from switch from section, I need from switch to section. So observe switch to section, extract fund ID, risk profile, percentage from the screenshot, and we need to take it from where they're fully visible. Don't guess description name if they're not fully visible. Take the information from the images where they're best visible, and one screenshot will be there for transaction successful message. So this is the prompt I'm using and passing the images for analysis. And before passing I need to extract the images from Excel. I need to encode them using base 64. I have a function for that, and here it is passing for analysis. And once analysis is done for each images, I do not need analysis from each image. I need the entire all the images to be reviewed and give me the curated result, whether the policy, what is the policy number, fund ID, their percentage, risk profile, if the transaction is successful, yes, no message, screenshot is present. So those are the information I need out of the entire document. So this is the prompt for it. Give me the following information: policy number used, fund ID and their percentage, risk profile, whether transaction successful message was found once in any of the images, yes or no. Then use this format to give me this information. And I'm using the same GPT-4 vision model, but GPT-4 vision is not good for analysis. GPT-4o not good for analysis. GPT-4o good for computer vision. We can use GPT-4 model, a separate deployment I can feed in, but for the time being I'm using the same model, and that model is giving the curated output here in the response, and then the main I am calling them sequentially, passing the path where my test review document is. Let's run this and see the result. Currently it is picking images from Excel. it is marking each cell position and passing it for analysis. Still doing the analysis. Still running. Hmm. Now here the run is complete, and this is the curated information I asked for. Policy number, it found the fund IDs from that switch to section, and also give the percentage, risk profile, transaction successful. Give the same information twice, we need it only once. And here it was image per image analysis. We do not need this detailed analysis. This detailed analysis I passed for this last part. I passed the detailed analysis to this model here through this variable, and using this prompt to give me only this information. So it gave me only this curated information which I need. Here. So this is how a test reviewer does. It looks into the document and get this information, and then matching with the test case. That is also I need to create another GPT and pass the test case, then doing a comparison whether this is matching or not. This is the complete process of a test reviewer.